Well, have you heard of CoolSculpting? Are you trying to get rid of unwanted fat? CoolSculpting is a new way to get rid of unwanted fat without surgery. Today, we have local board-certified dermatologist Dr. Elizabeth Tanzi to answer all of your questions about CoolSculpting. And let's start with what CoolSculpting is. And it's not really a new way. It's been around for a while.
Right. So CoolSculpting is a completely non-surgical, clinically proven, safe and effective way to freeze away unwanted fat, all without surgery or downtime.
Wow. So you can have the procedure and be back at work same day? Next day?
Next day.
But still,
Next day.
If you had surgery, you'd be out for weeks.
Absolutely.
Right.
So CoolSculpting has been around a while. It was developed by Harvard scientists that really took advantage of the fact that fat cells do not like to be frozen. If you freeze fat cells, slowly over time, they self-destruct, and they're just naturally removed from the body, and they're gone for good.
And we're looking at a picture. This is the process that it goes through. So take us through that process of how this all works.
So once the area is treated with CoolSculpting, it sends a signal. It's a self-destruction signal to a certain percentage of fat cells. So in the area that we treat, about 20 to 25% of the fat cells will self-destruct, and naturally over the time, the body just gently gets rid of them. And after about 1 to 3 months, you start to see the results.
So it goes away, and it's not like I have to come back for more.
Right. The results, once the fat cells are eliminated, they're gone for good. Now, people will notice improvement with a single treatment, but you can do more treatments or treatments in surrounding areas to get an even better cosmetic result.
What are the most popular things that people are coming in for?
Well, the areas that are most popular are also the FDA-cleared areas to treat. And that is abdomen, the tummy, flanks or the love handles, muffin top, inner and outer thighs, and now the one that's hot off the presses, brand new, FDA-cleared, for the double chin. We're really excited about that one.
All right, we're going to take a look at the double chin, or the chin picture here in a second. Talk about that procedure and how big of a deal that is now that that's been FDA approved.
That is a really big deal because there's a lot of interest in what's called submental fullness, so the double chin. But this is a non-injection, non-surgical way. It takes about an hour to do. It's comfortable. And after an hour, it'll be a little swollen and a little sore for a few days, but you can go right back to your regular activities, and slowly over 1 to 3 months, it shrinks down the area.
Oh, look at these before and after pictures right now. I mean,
right.
That's pretty incredible. Yeah,
we're really excited about this one.
Right. All right. So now for someone who's watching at home right now and is saying, oh, I don't know if I can do that, how do they know if they're ready for this?
So CoolSculpting procedures we do oversee, the physician oversees the procedures. It is done in an individualized way, and you need to be evaluated to see if you're a good treatment candidate. So to get more information, you want to go to www.coolsculpting.com to find a physician near you that's performing it. Right now in our office, we are offering free consultations for people who are interested to find out if they're a good candidate.
And what's that process like? You walk in? You walk in,
you get evaluated by a physician or a CoolSculpting expert to see if you have the type of fat that would respond to CoolSculpting, because not all types of fat respond to CoolSculpting. So you need to make sure that you are the right candidate. But if you're a right candidate, it is going to work.
What are some of the things you hear from patients after they walk out there? And we saw the before and after pictures.
What I really like about CoolSculpting is not only can people get back to their regular activities right away, but it works. And it seems to jumpstart people in maybe their diet and exercise. Maybe they've slowed down a little bit with that. But they're thinking, okay, now I'm really seeing those results in my abdomen and my flanks, and I'm going to get on it. I'm going to start exercising again. It really does seem to be a nice jump start for people.
The one thing they need. Yeah, that's awesome. So get rid of unwanted fats.
Absolutely.
Without surgery. It's great. If you want to learn more about it, go to CoolSculpting.com right now. Thank you so much for coming in this morning. It was great to meet you.